Today we're opening up Spider-Man into the Spider-Verse eggs. Since we have all the Spider-Man suits except for one, maybe I could transform into one. Iron Spider!
Oh wow guys, look, it's Anwar dressed up as Iron Spider. And we have 6 Spider-Man into the Spider-Verse eggs. Which characters from the movie do we have, Anwar?
We have Spider-Ham, we have Miles Morales, and we have Miles, and Spider-Gwen, and Spider-Man. I wonder what this one is called.
That one, he's an all-black Spider-Man, and he's called Spider Noir. So, which egg do you want to open up first?
I'll open up Spider Noir.
Sure, go ahead, let's see what's inside.
It's Spider Noir!
Oh wow, it's a Funko Pop of Spider Noir, you guys.
Too big of a head. And we got Green Goblin.
Oh, Green Goblin was one of the villains in the movie, wasn't he?
Yeah, but he's bigger.
Yeah, he was super big in the movie.
Yeah. Yippee! Look, he's a bobblehead.
Oh, wow, that's so cool. His head is bobbling everywhere.
Yeah, and sometimes they don't move.
Yeah, some Funko Pops don't have bobbleheads, but it looks like these ones do.
Yeah, let's see if the other ones have them too.
Yeah, let's see what else is in your other eggs. Which egg do you want to open up next?
I'll open up Spider-Ham.
Spider-Ham. He looks cool, right?
Yeah. Ooh, there's a lot in there.
Let's see.
It's Miles.
Oh, that was his uncle. Yeah, his uncle. Do you remember what the name was for the villain? Starts with a P.
I forget.
Prowler.
Prowler?
Yeah, he's like all purple. Oh, is he a bobblehead?
Yup.
Let's see. Oh, he is a bobblehead too, you guys. How cool is that?
And he has really sharp claws.
Yeah, he does. What else do you have in there?
And it's Spider-Ham himself.
Oh, look at Spider-Ham.
But no Funko Pop.
No Funko Pop. All right, Anwar, which egg do you want to open up next?
Spider-Gwen.
Spider-Gwen? Whoa, there's a lot of stuff in there too.
Spider-Gwen's head.
Oh, it's just a tiny little toy of her head.
Yep.
What else?
Spider-Gwen.
Oh, that's a smaller figure of Spider-Gwen.
And a really small Spider-Gwen.
Yeah, that's an Imagine Next figure. Look at her fists, you guys. They're kind of like
really
see-through.
blue.
Yeah.
And we got Spider-Gwen Funko Pop.
Oh, she looks cool. She doesn't have her mask on.
Yeah.
Oh, she's a bobblehead.
It kind of looks funny when the hair moves.
Mm-hmm. Okay, Anwar, looks like you have 3 more eggs left. Which one are you going to open up next?
I'm going to open up Spider-Man.
Oh, cool. Let's see what's inside.
Oh, there's a lot of stuff in here.
Yeah.
Spider-Man himself. And Spider-Man action figure.
Oh, those are cool. What are those things on his hands? They're kind of like...
Drills.
Oh, they like
stuff?
propel him maybe?
Yeah.
They make him fly?
Spider-Man.
Oh, another little Imagine Next.
Yep. And Spider-Man Funko Pop.
Oh, we got a Spider-Man. Oh, it's a bobblehead too.
And let's put this on.
Yeah, it comes with a little stand.
Oh. There.
Wow, cool.
That looks very cool.
It does. So you have 2 eggs left. It looks like they're both Miles Morales, but one is with the mask and one is without. Which one do you want to open up?
And this one took off his mask and bought something.
Yeah, he had bought something, right?
Yeah, and he has a cape on.
Mm-hmm. Which one do you want to open up?
I'll open up this one.
Okay.
Sounds like there's only one thing. Two things.
Oh, two.
Miles is uncle.
Yep, the Prowler.
Yep.
That's just a little figure of him.
And this is Miles Morales.
Oh,
Uncle Pop.
yeah. Oh, look at his bobblehead.
Oh, it turned.
Yeah, it twisted a little bit. You can twist it back, I think, too.
How?
You just turn it. Yep, just like that.
Oh, it's not.
Just twist it a little bit harder. There we go. Good.
It's like he's looking the other way.
Mm-hmm.
Dun, dun, dun.
All right, we have one more egg left.
I'm gonna open up Miles.
Yep, Miles.
The mask.
Yep. Whoa, lots of stuff in there.
Miles
Yep.
with the mask.
Let's see, turn him around. Oh, cool.
And Miles' wings.
Oh, those are cool. Those are like spider web wings.
Yeah. And Miles Morales. Funko Pop.
Yeah, Funko Pop of him too.
Let's put on this because it just came off.
Yep. Some of them come with stands so that they don't fall over because the heads are much bigger than the bodies, so they kind of tend to fall over, right?
Yep.
Wow, guys, look at all of our Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse toys we got from the eggs. Aren't they so cool?
Yeah.
Which one do you like out of all of them?
Can I get two?
Sure, because there's a lot of toys. That's fine.
I like Spider-Man.
Miles Morales in the black suit, yeah? And what else?
I like Spider. I like him.
Yeah, he kind of looks cool, right? I like the black hat.
Yeah, he looks like a TV person because like all that blur and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Like an old TV.
From the old times?
Yeah.
Yeah. Mine is Spider-Gwen, of course.
Because it's a
Girl. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye!